CNC punching machine. Milling grooves on the side of various types of panels such as wooden door panels, fire door panels, aluminum honeycomb panels, etc. Drill countersunk holes on the front of the sheet metal and mill irregular hole slots. Can be processed: door locks, hinges, invisible handles, child and mother door slots, door closers, crabbable slots. Side processing procedures for installation holes, motor channels, locking holes, and shaped holes of various wooden bores, aluminum profiles. Suitable for drilling, milling grooves, circular holes, irregular holes, flat carving on the front and side of metal sheets, as well as milling and chamfering of door panels, wooden lock door panel, aluminum honeycomb panel, vertical and horizontal integrated design.